If you've gone to get car insurance or buy a car and get a car loan or a mortgage and had your credit pulled, you may be getting tons of annoying phone calls right after that. Why am I getting all these phone calls? Why is my information out there? I'm Kevin Fritz with Iron Point Mortgage. Thank you for checking in today. I look forward to sharing some great information with you. This is one of the hot topics that the market's dealing with currently. If you've gone to get your credit pulled, it is not uncommon to get 100 or more phone calls. In the case, say you're going to get a loan. You work with a trusted loan advisor that you've been getting advice from, and maybe you've worked together for a month. Maybe you've worked together for 10 years. But all of a sudden, you go into contract, you get the hard pull on your credit, or you're getting pre-approved for your credit, and then all of a sudden you get 100 phone calls, people blasting you saying, oh, we can do way better. Well, this is what's happening in the marketplace today right now. And I've gotten calls from clients who even I warned and told them that this could happen, and they think I'm selling their information. We're not selling your information. The last thing we would do is sell your information to our competitors. Right now, there's HR Bill 4198, and it's called the Protecting Consumers from Abusive Mortgage Acts. And what it's designed is to stop trigger leads. This is not for sure deal, but providers are certainly bothered by it. The consumer is bothered by it. Why is it happening? Well, the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, believes that it's better for the consumers because they'll have competition reach out and give different offerings to consumers. What they didn't realize was, or maybe they don't care, is that it's like dumping that bucket of water over and over and over again because you don't know what to trust. So at the consumer level, so for us, whether I'm going to get a car loan or I'm helping somebody with a mortgage, it's not fun because you don't know who the person is that you're talking to. Is it a call center? Is it an actual loan advisor? Are they reputable? I would never buy trigger leads. It's just not something I want to do because I work with referred clients and those that are reaching out through Google and YouTube and through our channels. If one of my clients comes and says, hey, I'm getting an offer, is this realistic? We're happy to look at that offer. And if we can, we'll go back to the lenders and say, hey, somebody does have a legitimate offer. Let's work on beating that number and giving a better deal. So a lot of times the lenders that we work with will do that. That HR 4198 might be a good answer. However, what do you do about it right now? Because you're getting ready to buy a house. You don't want to get blasted with all these phone calls. And is there something you can do right now? And the answer is absolutely yes. What you can do is go to www.optoutprescreen.com. Go in, permanently remove yourself from the pre-screens, and it'll take about a week to take effect. Then they won't get the trigger leads. The other thing you can do is you can go to the Do Not Call registry, and that way you're not getting unwanted phone calls if you signed up for the Do Not Call. That's kind of gone out of vogue. It was really big about 20 years ago, but hasn't really been as active, but it is alive and well, so you can do the Do Not Call list. The other thing that we do, we as a company, we use what's called soft pull credit. So instead of pulling a hard pull on your credit, which impacts your credit score as well as triggers the trigger calls, we'll do a soft pull. That gives us a strong indication of where you are in your loan approval, pre-approval, or let's say you're doing a refi and you think, am I going to be able to move forward on a refi or not? The soft pull is a great way to be able to get a really good indication of what you can do. That also gives the time to have the pre-screen work. So that way you don't have to wait a week. You can do that right now. And then at the same time, do the opt-out pre-screen. And then from there, once you go into contract, we'll pull the hard pull and you would have already been in the opt-out. I hope that helps. This is really an aggravating thing for a lot of people going to get services. Good news is your provider is not selling your information. So you can be assured of that. Bad news is the bureaus are. It's not substantial information, but let's be blunt. Information's going around and it's all purchasable. If you don't like trigger leads and you don't like what's happening with that, don't reward the lenders or insurance companies or other providers that are having this bad behavior in the marketplace. you've got a provider that's been referred to you, you trust them, you know they're good. If you want a better deal, ask for one. See what the best your trusted advisor can do for you. Right now, rates are a lot higher in the interest rate environment, but they're coming down. So having a professional that can give you a strategy of not only how to take advantage today and get into contract on a house that's going to go up in value over the years, but also strategy on how to get you back out of that loan and into a better interest rate as rates drop over the next 6, 12, 24 months. If you found this information valuable and want more content like this, please subscribe to our channel. Also like us. Look forward to connecting with you. If you've got any questions, I'm a live person. I love to talk with you, love to give you advice and help you build wealth through real estate. Have a great day. Bye-bye.